Welcome back, folks. After our exciting first test drive of the 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLE53, we couldn't wait to explore more of what makes this SUV so unique. Today, we'll delve into the technology and safety features that set it apart from your typical AMG. Introducing the 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLE53, a vehicle that defies expectations and challenges stereotypes in the world of high-performance SUVs. Today, we'll be diving deep into the heart of this remarkable SUV to see just how it breaks the mold of what we've come to expect from an AMG. From the outside, the GLE53's design is unmistakably AMG, with its aggressive lines, bold grille, and aerodynamic enhancements. However, there's a subtle elegance to it that separates it from the pack. One of the standout features of the GLE53 is its extensive suite of safety and driver assistance technology. Mercedes' intelligent drive systems work cohesively to keep you and your passengers safe, both on the highway and in congested city traffic. Beneath the hood lies a 3.0-liter inline-six engine, equipped with Mercedes EQ-Boost technology. This hybrid powertrain delivers an impressive combination of power and efficiency, providing instant torque and electrifying performance. With active brake assist, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, the GLE53 acts as a vigilant co-pilot, ensuring a secure journey at all times. The GLE53 isn't just about straight-line speed, it's engineered to tackle corners with grace. Thanks to its advanced air suspension and active stabilizer bars, this SUV maintains impeccable composure through every twist and turn. And let's not forget about the impressive MBUX infotainment system. Voice commands, natural language processing, and intuitive touch controls make accessing information and entertainment a breeze. Step inside, and you're greeted with an opulent interior, complete with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. Mercedes' latest infotainment system seamlessly integrates with the driving experience, providing a truly immersive environment. Whether you're hauling gear for a weekend getaway or taking the family on a road trip, the GLE53 offers ample cargo space and customizable seating arrangements to accommodate all your needs. The GLE53 is all about balance. It's a vehicle that blends performance with practicality, delivering a comfortable and refined ride for everyday use, yet capable of thrilling its occupants when the urge to push it arises. Not only is the GLE53 a versatile performer, but it also offers impressive off-road capabilities, making it a well-rounded SUV suitable for any adventure. When designing the GLE53, we wanted to create a harmonious blend of performance and innovation. The AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system ensures that power is distributed efficiently to all four wheels, maximizing traction and control in various driving conditions. The GLE53 marks a turning point for AMG. It proves that high performance doesn't always mean sacrificing comfort and practicality. Mercedes has found the sweet spot with this model. The 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLE53 goes beyond the ordinary, providing confidence-inspiring stability, no matter where the road takes you. In conclusion, the 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLE53 shatters stereotypes, redefining what an AMG vehicle can be. Its perfect fusion of performance, luxury, and versatility sets it apart from the rest of the pack. What truly sets the GLE53 apart is its ability to bridge the gap between a high-performance sports car and a luxurious SUV. It's the perfect companion for enthusiasts who crave both speed and sophistication. As we bid farewell to this remarkable SUV, we can't help but be impressed by how Mercedes-AMG has crafted a vehicle that defies stereotypes and exceeds expectations. Thanks for joining us on this journey with the 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLE53. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more thrilling automotive content. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow automotive enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for our next adventure as we explore more cutting-edge vehicles and the latest automotive innovations. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.